ya mbunge ya gibururi ya guthurima uria ruhonge rwa Worldcoin rwambekire tabarira cia guku bururi-ini niugwati rurenda ruru ni ugwati hari ugitari wa bururi ari ni hamwe na kuhotithia kana kuhotithia ugumania wa mbecha kwoana ruhonge rwa uramati wa kigina nirwo benki ya CBK rutingihota guthurima muthiere wa mbecha rurenda-ini ruru iri gitumika kurehe cieko cia ugumania guku bururi-ini uthuthuria kana Kithure akiranira ni ambekite uthuthuria bara nginyo ari ni hamwe na kugweta mogwati maria magicungiririo ni rugwe ni magikorwo magicungiririo ni ruhonge ruru maina wa mucwe nuraikorwo gituhingurira mohoro hwaini wa umuthi.
Minista wa ugitari wa thiinie prof kindiki ari mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge ya gibururi igemaine na uthuthuria wa Worldcoin niranĩire ati minista yake ni yambikite uthuthuria bara nginyo kuria nginyagia na riu aira 26 mandikithitie wira wao nacio macini cia kiriu iria ciahuthikaga kurogota data itakunyihira 48 na igarikia kuhithukio ni thirikari guku obs ithatu iria cioyaga irore cia maitho igakorwo inengeranĩtwo labu-ini ya forensic guthurimwo makiria.
The orbs and electronic gadgets have been submitted to the Communications Authority and the Cyber Forensic Laboratory, and they are currently undergoing through forensic analysis.
Lab ino ya forensic irigireirwo gutabania uthuthuria na gutambura namba ya Kenya aria makorirwo makiheana irore cia maitho uhoti wa macini ici muhano wa data cia andu kiumbe iria ciakorirwo ikirogotwo ugwati hari ugima wa mwiri hari ni hamwe na gutambura kana hari na wikinae watwarithagio na mbere uria ari ugwati hari ugitari wa bururi.
Whether the authorizations that are required under the law to carry out an activity of this nature had been obtained, and eventually to establish whether crimes under the law of Kenya were committed, and if so, prosecute those that would be found culpable.
Amugo mang'eni nicio ciirigurire wari muirige kindiki augete kuri na uhotekeku wa uici wa mbeca hamwe na kuriha marihi kuria tabania awikinae kuona ruhonge ruru rutiramatagwo ni ruhonge rwa kuramata kigina nirwo benki ya gibururi ya CBK undu uria uhotithagia ruhonge ruru kuruta na gutuma mbeca kuma account imwe nginyagia iria ingi mabururi-ini matiganite hatari kumenyeka. Kindiki agitariria tao.
Now, because cryptocurrency is not legal tender, and because cryptocurrency, as we speak, does not fall within the regulatory ambit of the Central Bank of Kenya, therefore, it is very difficult to oversight that space.
Uritu uria uriho na uria ukoretwo ukihe honge cia ugitari na uthuthuria thina gutaura thimo ino ni ati
Asset Recovery Agency is unable to trace the physical assets that can even be frozen, and I say so because the ability of government to trace assets and freeze them is an important tool in the fight against the financing of terror and the fight against money laundering.
Makiria na mwisho Kindiki arekireirie na kuga,
but now there is a fourth frontier of attack, and the nation can be attacked severely and perhaps even more disastrously, in a more disastrous manner from the cyberspace.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ria kwoana maina wa mucwe.
Minista wa ugitari wa thiinie wa bururi prof Kithure Kindiki augete ati ngahiha cia miaka gatagati ga kaunti cia Meru na Tharaka Nithi